Okay, engineers. So now, as we just saw, we only controlled the three-phase motor using the two push buttons, okay? And then also we use the Scada or the HMI to control the same motor. So in the illustration, you use the push button to start the motor at the same time to stop the motor. You also use the HMI or the Scada to also start and then stop the motor, okay? So this is just a simple DOL design, direct online design, to control a three-phase motor using HMI or Scada and then physical push buttons. Yeah. So if you want to get more videos, just follow the page, follow the Facebook page. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Yeah. And then we also do training in this illustrations. Yeah, in this thing that you saw, we do training in Scada design, VFD design, VFD configuration with PLC, and then PLC programming, HMI design, instrumentation. Yeah, it is very intensive, very practical. It's not like a plug and remove like amateur. Those we plug the cables and then we remove the cables. No, it is very practical. You just peel the cable, you fix the cable, you screw the cable. You are going to hold the pliers, everything. It's very practical. So I would like you to, if you want to get more videos, more automation videos like this, just follow the page, okay? If you are not seeing the follow button there, just visit my page and then follow. Share the page to your friends, your engineering friends, okay? Those who are interested to learn. And then visit my YouTube channel to also subscribe, okay? And then share to your friends. See you in my next tutorial.